This is a high protein strawberry mousse that tastes like a dessert, but it's actually super simple, no baking, no gelatin, and it sets beautifully. Start with 1.5 cup of frozen strawberries, add 3 tablespoons of maple syrup and 1 tablespoon of vanilla bean paste and a tiny pinch of sea salt. Blend until it's smooth and thick. We don't want watery consistency. We need a paste. Now, quick tip, if your puree looks runny, it's usually because the strawberries melted too much. Pop the puree into the freezer for 5 to 8 minutes so it thickens up again. Now, in a bowl, add 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of ricotta cheese. You can even use cream cheese if you don't want to use ricotta cheese. Now whisk it until totally smooth, no lumps. This step matters because the smoother it is now, the more mousse-like it looks later. Now pour in your strawberry puree and mix. Don't overmix. Just until the color becomes pretty pink and everything is well combined. Now it's time for the main part. Time to fill your cups. Spoon it in slowly and tap the cups once or twice. Once your cup is full, remove air bubbles so the top sets clean and beautifully smooth. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour. If you want it firmer like a cheesecake texture, do like 3 hours, and if your mousse ever turns loose, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ricotta cheese and chill again. Now for the finish, top it off with a fresh strawberries, mint leaf, crushed pistachio and dark chocolate. That crunch chocolate makes it feel expensive, and that's it. Creamy, bright and seriously addictive. If you try it, comment mousse and tell me if you want a mango or blueberry version next.